In this video, we will talk about Top 20 Faceless YouTube Channel Ideas in 2024. So make sure to watch the full video. In the dynamic landscape of YouTube content creation, the emergence of faceless channels has reshaped the way creators engage with audiences. In an era where anonymity holds its own allure, faceless YouTube channels offer a unique avenue for content creators to share their expertise, creativity, and passions without the need for on-camera appearances. Whether through voiceovers, animations, or immersive storytelling, these channels transcend traditional limitations, captivating viewers with compelling content while preserving the anonymity of their creators. In this video, we explore 20 innovative faceless YouTube channel ideas for 2024, each offering a distinct avenue for creativity and connection in the digital sphere. 1. Narrative storytelling. Embark on immersive journeys through captivating narratives employing voiceovers, animations, or visual storytelling techniques. Engage audiences with intricately woven plots, dynamic character arcs, and compelling dialogue, transcending the limitations of traditional storytelling. From epic sagas to intimate character studies, explore diverse narrative landscapes, inviting viewers to embark on transformative adventures without the constraints of on-camera presence. 2. ASMR channels. Delve into the soothing realm of ASMR, evoking relaxation and sensory bliss with gentle sounds and whispers. Utilize an array of triggers such as tapping, brushing, and soft-spoken narration to create auditory experiences that transport viewers to realms of tranquility and calmness, fostering a sanctuary of serenity without the need for on-camera appearances. 3. Educational animations. Unlock the wonders of learning with vibrant animated videos spanning diverse disciplines and subjects. From the depths of history to the mysteries of science, employ captivating animations, graphics, and voiceovers to deliver engaging educational content that stimulates curiosity and fosters lifelong learning, transcending traditional teaching methods without appearing on camera. 4. Gaming channels. Immerse viewers in the dynamic world of gaming through exhilarating gameplay footage, insightful commentary, and strategic analysis. Explore a vast array of gaming genres, master gaming mechanics, and share gaming experiences with a vibrant community of enthusiasts, fostering camaraderie and excitement without the constraints of on-camera presence. 5. Recipe and cooking tutorials. Ignite culinary passions and gastronomic adventures with tantalizing recipes and cooking demonstrations. From gourmet delights to everyday favorites, unveil culinary secrets, ingredient insights, and flavor profiles through detailed instructions and engaging voiceover guidance, inspiring culinary creativity and exploration without the need for on-camera appearances. 6. DIY and crafting. Cultivate creativity and hands-on innovation with imaginative DIY and crafting tutorials showcasing unique projects and artistic endeavors. From upcycled masterpieces to handmade creations, provide step-by-step instructions, materials lists, and creative insights through visually captivating demonstrations and voiceovers, empowering viewers to unleash their creativity without showing their face on camera. 7. Travel vlogs. Embark on virtual journeys to breathtaking destinations and cultural wonders around the globe. Share immersive travel experiences, insider tips, and personal anecdotes through stunning footage and insightful commentary, inviting viewers to explore the world vicariously through compelling storytelling and captivating visuals, all without the need for on-camera presence. 8. Music channels. Unleash the power of melody and rhythm with musical performances, covers, and tutorials. From soulful renditions to original compositions, showcase musical talents through instrumentals, vocals, and creative arrangements, captivating audiences with the universal language of music and fostering a community of music enthusiasts, all without revealing your face on camera. 9. Product reviews and unboxings. Navigate the landscape of gadgets, tech devices, and lifestyle products with insightful reviews and unboxings. Provide in-depth assessments, feature highlights, and honest evaluations through visually engaging content and informative voiceovers, guiding consumers in making informed decisions without the need for on-camera appearances. 10. mystery, and true crime. Embark on thrilling investigations into the enigmatic realms of mysteries and true crime stories, unravel chilling narratives, explore unsolved cases, and delve into historical mysteries with gripping storytelling and immersive reenactments, captivating audiences with tales of intrigue and suspense, all without the need to appear on camera. 11. Language learning channels. Embark on linguistic adventures and cultural explorations with interactive language lessons and insights. From vocabulary drills to cultural nuances, facilitate language acquisition and appreciation through engaging visuals and voiceovers, empowering learners to embrace new languages and broaden their horizons without the constraints of on-camera appearances. 12. Fitness and wellness. Cultivate holistic well-being and vitality with fitness routines, workouts, and wellness tips. From yoga sessions to cardio challenges, provide guidance and motivation through instructional videos and voice-guided workouts, inspiring viewers to embark on transformative wellness journeys and embrace healthy lifestyles, all without showing your face on camera. 13. Photography and videography. Capture the essence of moments and the beauty of landscapes with photography and videography tutorials. From composition techniques to post-production editing, share insights and creative tips through captivating visuals and informative voiceovers, empowering aspiring photographers and videographers to hone their craft and unleash their creative potential without appearing on camera. 14. Book reviews and literary analysis. Dive into the rich tapestry of literature with insightful book reviews and literary discussions. Explore themes, characters, and narrative structures through engaging critiques and analyses, fostering a deeper appreciation for literature and storytelling, all while offering recommendations and insights without revealing your face on camera. 15. Pet care and training. Foster bonds and nurture companionship with expert pet care advice and training tips. From grooming techniques to behavioral insights, share valuable pet care knowledge and product recommendations through informative visuals and voiceovers, enriching the lives of pets and their owners and fostering a community of pet lovers without the need for on-camera appearances. 16. Tech and gadgets explained. Demystify the complexities of technology with informative tech reviews and tutorials. From gadget breakdowns to software walkthroughs, simplify tech concepts and product functionalities through animations, diagrams, and detailed voiceovers, empowering tech enthusiasts to make informed decisions and stay ahead in the digital world, all without the need for on-camera appearances. 17. Motivational and inspirational content. Ignite the flames of inspiration and self-discovery with motivational speeches and personal anecdotes. Share wisdom, encouragement, and practical advice through uplifting narratives and motivational voiceovers, empowering viewers to overcome challenges, pursue their dreams, and unlock their full potential, all without revealing your face on camera. 18. Environmental and sustainability awareness. Advocate for planetary stewardship and sustainable living practices. Raise awareness about environmental issues, conservation efforts, and eco-friendly solutions through informative visuals and compelling voiceovers, inspiring viewers to embrace sustainability and take action to preserve our planet, all without the need for on-camera appearances. 19. Art and illustration tutorials. Cultivate artistic expression and creative mastery with art and illustration tutorials. From sketching fundamentals to digital art techniques, provide step-by-step guidance and artistic insights through visually captivating demonstrations and detailed voiceovers, empowering aspiring artists to unleash their creativity and express themselves without showing their face on camera. 20. Life hacks and productivity tips. Streamline routines and maximize efficiency with practical life hacks and productivity strategies. From time management techniques to organizational tips, share actionable insights and solutions through visually engaging content and informative voiceovers, helping viewers optimize their lives and achieve their goals, all without appearing on camera. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.